Hey guys, John Vidine with Dent Reaper here, and just wanted to go over the Dent Reaper rods. And these tools are a fully stainless 3-piece set, and shaved from the tip about 3/4 of the way up here. And that is for access and strength all in one here. And these tools actually came about, had some people asking for a T-handled set and wanted to incorporate some versatility there. So that's where this back heel hump comes into play. And that allows for a really nice soft push. And you're able to do some dragging with that. You can do some side loading with the heel portion here. Very versatile tool. And then obviously have the nice sharp tip here, and perfect for aluminum, really good for high strength steel and pinpoint accuracy. And these come in a T-handled set, fixed like that. And now we also have the ratchet handled set. And the nice thing with the ratchet handled set here is they are fully compatible with all of the Gorilla Grip tactical handles. So you're able to just pop that off, you can reorient it in any way. And really nice with these is being able to take this off and use it as a flag handle. I've been using these a lot as door tools lately and really loving it with this Gorilla Grip. So definitely give that a shot, and give the Reaper rods themselves a shot. Guarantee you're gonna love them. And if you don't, I'll buy them back. So head on over to dentreaper.com today, get yourself a set. Hope you love them as much as I do. Thanks so much, keep pushing.